here are my new cars. Let's take a look at these cars. Okay, this one's name is Greta. This one, Dusty and Rusty Rusty's. Vern. Pinion 4. Marty Breakburst. Suki. Erik Langley. And me and Tia. Let's look at this one first. This is Greta. I like this one. It's long. Look, these two small ones, like almost equal to this one. Anyway, this is a really nice one. It's like a 50s car with flames and everything. And it's the front, there's the eyes. The sides is white wall tires. Also wing thingies. And it rolls good too. The next one would be these guys. I can't remember which one, but I think it's Dusty and Rusty Rusty's. But I can't remember. Okay, let's look at this one. And he's got a slightly destroyed top, but that's how it's supposed to be. And there's his side. That's a nice car. His mouth. Eyes. There he is. And here's the other one. Looks like Fillmore sorta, but it says Dodge on the front. And he's smiling. And it says ease on the back. So let's look see. This one says Russ. And then this one says ease, so it'd be Rust Ease. Let's see, Vern the taxi. And there he is. And he's got moving eyes. And it says Vern's taxi in the back, and there's his eyes are green, and there he is. In the back it says, what does that say? A hair? No, AH4RE. I don't know what that is, but that's what it says, and up there it says birds and the pulp. It's a BMW actually, and this little grill has a cross on it. There's his mouth, this is his eyes, his hat, and then his back says SV1. So and then has a little symbol. That's really nice. See Marty Breakburst. She is holding a piston cup toy, and there's his mouth. and this is eyes. He's the second smallest one, I think. On the back it says 095JW. He's pretty small, but I still like him. And I'll be crashing into that one. This one's Suki. And what does this say? can't read that still. I think it's supposed to say something there, and it has this pink thing. Those eyes, mouth, white wheels. That's funny. And there's a back. Oh, it crashed into the. What is with that car and crashing? Okay, here's the next one. Erik Langley. He's shaking the flag. Anyway, he has a flag and he's big. And it says World Grand Prix on him. This is the back. This is his face. And why do they keep crashing? Anyway, this one is Mia. That's what it says on there, yeah. This is the Dinoco one, I think. The face. And that's that one. And the last one is Tia. It has a hat and these bingies. The face, the eyes, and the back. And that's all of them. And let's look at just a look at them. Let's see them do something. First, let's see Greta go down this spiral track I have. Next, I think is Rusty's, or Dusty or Rusty, one of them. Dusty or Rusty's is the next one. Brothers. Now it's Vern. The Pope. Marty, Breakburst. Oh, let's try that again. Suki. Erik Langley. Oh, he got stuck. I think he's gonna have to go backwards. Mia. Tia. And now we're going to have some races on the other spiral track I have. Okay, let's put Dusty and Rusty's on it and see who will win. I'm gonna set that up. It's ready to go, I think. Where is it? Up. Okay, go. Ah, man. What's stuck up? I think this one won. Next is Vern and Greta are going to race. Ah, I can't tell who won because the stupid sign isn't working. Okay, Eric Wanley and the Pope. That's weird. But I guess the Pope won. No, I don't know who won. This track is not working very well today. Now, Marty, break first, and Suki. Make sure those signs are working. Okay, there they go. Oh man, I have to restart. Okay, now they have to go. No, go! Okay, still nobody won because they're too small to activate the switch thing. Only two left. Me and Tia. And still no one won. But that's okay. And now let's just see them rolling and stuff.